enriching the soil of how we think about what we eat. We believe that food independence is freedom, knowledge is power, and health is wealth. And now, your host, Suzette Chomette.
Hey everyone. Welcome to the Food Indy Podcast, where we get you closer to your food. I'm your host, Suzette Chomette. On today's show, we are honoring food as medicine, the body as wisdom, and womanhood as a sacred garden. Today, we're beginning a new Food Indy series, a journey through the stages of a woman's life. We'll move from maiden to mother to queen, from first blood to first breath of your child, from moon cycles to the stillness that follows. This isn't just biology. This is legacy. It's ritual. This is you in every form you've ever been. So stick around. Tune in to this new Women's Health series on Apple Music or Spotify. You can also find past episodes on befoodindy.com/podcast. That's befoodindy.com/podcast. Wherever you find us, make sure you listen today.